This is Alexa Wickoff. This is her top horse. This is her biggest chance. Shoot, maybe she could win the Gold Buckle World Champion Reserve. Who knows? It's been an opportunity for some of these riders that have been qualified more than once. Here she comes again, Alexa Wickoff out of Stephenville, Texas. Here we go again. Last rider in the youth division.
All right, she's up and over through the cowboy curtain, a big leap off the end and a sliding style right into where she needs to be. Refocuses, gets it down right on through without touching those rocks, right on into the lead. Alexa Wickoff on London Spark going to work here as our #1 rider coming into this final round. All right, she's got the flag. Trying to stay in that #1 position with this run. All right, she's got the flag in the spot. Here she comes to the double rider.
All right, double rider into Rumbleson. There's the deposit, off and running, picking up speed. Going again, Alexa Wickoff. Boy, she's up, she's down and going. Boy, I tell you what, this is the moment of truth for her. Moment of truth, now or never. Going for gold all the way. All right, here comes the double. And whoa, man, you talk about outstanding, my friend. That was beautiful. All right, shaking it up the rope. Come on, get that string, put it to work. Place it over there. It's got to be good. Points waiting to be made. You know, I don't know, that's a throw down. I think it bounced on, but bounced off. So again, left some points on the table right there. But she's got to put it behind her. Refocus. Keep going for gold.
Swings that horse around right into the side pass.
Here comes the Maracha now. Come on. You got it. Oh yeah, beautiful. See how she holds it in the right hand, her reins in the left hand. Set of Romeo reins, beautiful work. Tight, tight, tight. Can't repair away. Over here, deposit the test the toothpick. Going again and headed for home. This is it. Home straight. Come on, girl. Go. You got it. Here she comes.
Watch the time, folks. It's another fast one. And she beats her own fastest time with a 2:31. Your fastest time here in the youth division.
Wow, that's amazing. The last rider, fastest time. Well, guys, how about giving a hand to the